Hey, it's Ron, and I'm here with
Alan.
Al. And Al, I'm dying to see the new CRM 2011 integration with SharePoint.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
And so you've been playing with it for a bit now. We talked about it before in a previous video.
Yeah.
So exactly what is it? What do you have going on with it? How does it work?
Well, it's obviously a very cool integration with SharePoint, and actually really does bring a seamless integration. So your documents, you can put them into SharePoint or CRM, and either way they end up in the same place, which is the right place in SharePoint.
Right. Right. Hey, maybe you could show me. Could you show me zooming in? I'll zoom in on your screen here.
Okay.
And you could show me what you do. You're jumping to a company or a contact, or tell me what you're going to do.
Yeah, well, I'm not going to talk about the setup of this too much.
Okay.
Other than just as a warning for guys out there that in the beta mode, I could not get this to work.
Okay, but you now have got it working.
Yeah.
And what?
Due
So
to CRM 2011 going online a couple of weeks ago, or
right.
live, it works.
Okay.
So, hey,
awesome.
there you go.
Okay.
Okay, so just in action itself, I'll go find an account.
Okay.
And I'll go to this account. Hopefully this has not got a document library already.
Okay.
You see, because I've set the document library up, we've got a documents folder.
So in the left nav, there's a documents folder. Okay.
Okay, so this is the first time I've come here, and this is the way
Okay.
that I've set this up.
Right.
So this is saying, look, we want to create a folder in the library, which is your SharePoint library,
Okay.
under account.
So it automatically manages the document library in SharePoint for me,
Yeah.
for companies, contacts, at any entity.
Any entity.
Okay.
How cool
Awesome.
is that?
That is very good.
I really like it, and what you get then is that you actually get the SharePoint
Okay.
component here.
So you can add a document in there.
Yeah, this is fully functional SharePoint component.
Oh, okay. So where is that in SharePoint now? Can you jump out to SharePoint? Like, we're in CRM right now.
I can show you it, but hey, let's see if I can find a document to add to this thing
Sure.
first. Hey?
Is there any text file or anything on the desktop there?
There's never going to be one, is there?
Mm.
Okay, well, okay.
How about the one that,
Oh, yeah.
didn't Olivier have a document there on his desktop?
I think he might have done. Well,
Well, now you're not on Olivier's desktop anymore, are you? You're on your own desktop. Let's create a text file on the desktop and just drag it in.
okay. I'm going to imaginatively call this test.
Fantastic.
Hey.
Can you attach a document with no content? There needs to be something inside the document.
There needs to be something inside the document.
Alright, could be a
I should have done
scam.
that.
Some gobbledygook in there. Perfect. Okay.
How much time did we waste on that?
Oh no, that's fantastic. This is great. So now we're on a company record.
We're on a company record.
In CRM.
We're on this company's record. We're
Right.
in the documents. We've got the documents
Okay.
there. We've got a fully functioning SharePoint piece. And hey, let's go and check, because this
Yeah.
looks like CRM to me.
So jump me out to the
So
SharePoint now.
How do we know it's in SharePoint? Well, let's open up SharePoint.
And it's already stuck it into document library. Oh wow. That's fantastic,
How
Al.
cool is that?
Yeah,
so we've
that's
got the
really
account,
cool.
we've got the name of the account,
Right.
which it sets for you,
Right.
and then we've got this document under there.
Hey, you know what? That is great. And you know what I want to hear more about quickly, Al, before we run away? Because I
Sure.
want to keep this short. So most companies, they've got SharePoint, they've got the document library, they're installing stuff. Who cares about CRM? Why? I mean, I know why I want CRM. It's the structured data, unstructured data argument. But why does a company care about having a CRM? They've got SharePoint.
I may be mildly biased in terms of CRM, but I don't believe I don't believe you can hold the type of data that you hold in CRM in SharePoint.
Right.
It does some rudimentary database functionality.
But it's not a true database.
It's not a true database.
Relational table math holding structured data.
No, I don't think you'd want to be putting your enterprise data in there.
Right. Okay. Well, that's fantastic. Hey, Al, Thanks. That's great. CRM, SharePoint, it's integrating. You know, we could spend another video next time taking a look maybe at what it does to the underlying document library in SharePoint, but it really is quite simple to set up, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's worth also mentioning that you don't have to follow that structure. You can set it like I'd done previously to say, hey, set this folder structure up, and it'll go and create it.
Okay.
Just another point on that, if you've got opportunities, for instance, and you create a document in there, it can set the opportunity documents folder under the accounts folder. So it's actually in SharePoint altogether as well. But also,
that's actually an issue. I was at a client site and one of their VP sales had said, well, I got this document, it's for this opportunity. Do I save the document against the opportunity? Do I save it against the company record? Do I save it against the contact that I'm working with for this company on that opportunity? Where does the document live? The document lives in the SharePoint. And the CRM opens a window into the SharePoint.
Well, absolutely,
yeah.
But for the seamlessness for the users, the document just lives in the application that you use, whichever one it is.
Yeah, oh, that's perfect.
The fact that it's held in SharePoint is another issue. Last point, got to get this over. If you've already got a folder, a library structure built up with the SharePoint, you can actually still use that structure by just setting it on the record itself.
That's fantastic. Hey Al, that's great. We're running long now. Where can people find you on the web?
aashton@knowledgetech.com is my email.
Excellent. And I'm Ron DeGiusti, and I'm also at Knowledge Tech. Thanks.